All right, here we are. And I guess officially Baja Blast is 6-speed swapped. So we have the official 6-speed manual in there. We got the transmission. We got the shifter linkage, 6-speed manual, pretty sweet. We got the R180 in the rear. We got the hubs, backing plates, and everything for the axles to accept the Brembo brakes. We got the hybrid axles. And let's see here, now we're gonna do the front end. So this is what we got today. So this is what we're gonna be shooting after. So we got the STI control arms, both sides, polished them up a little bit. They're pretty dirty before. These are the STI knuckles. And if you remember from before, the the bearing was trashed. Now they're sweet, smooth, extra nice. Got both of them this way. So that's always good. Let's see here. We got brand new bottom ball joints that we're gonna be putting in as well. We have the front and rear pair end links, new CV axles, and our STI 5x100. I guess these are mixed pattern, but these are the DBA rotors. They're pretty friggin' sweet. So we're gonna put all of this stuff under there. So let's get to it. All right, here we go. First, we're gonna get all the old stuff off. Good news is when I pulled out the transmission before, I already took out the CV axle, so it's just kind of a rolling bearing. So we'll get this thing out. Let's do this. ground out a little bit on each side, and so hopefully that's enough to get it in the subframe. Let's find out. We'll do a little update on some of the things we just got accomplished. So first off, we got the CV axles in on both sides. They were kind of a pain. The bearing was kind of tight getting in there, but we got them in, so no worries there. Then we'll go underneath here, and we got, let's see here, the STI control arms, and we got parent end links. We got the stock brakes still hanging out, but we're gonna change those out for the Brembos here shortly. They have new stainless lines and everything. It'll be sweet. Let's see here. We got brand new bottom ball joint, and we have the STI rotors in there as well. So we're doing good. We got both sides done. So the car's sitting all on its own power, or under its own weight, I guess. So next thing we got to do is get the drive shaft in. So that'll be the next thing. And since we don't have the Brembos on yet, we have the STI rotors in, but the factory wheels. So there's like not even a finger of clearance on these factory 16s. It's amazing how big the rotors and brakes actually are on these cars. But we'll get the Brembos on, and we have a new set of wheels that we'll have, and the Brembos almost done painting those. In the rear, got the STI e-brake and rotor on there, and the backing plate to fit the Brembos in the back. So this will be pretty sweet.